Hey VV Nation, Ryan here, and as always, just want to give you some market insights for the week ahead. Now that being said, two things that can always ruin a good old-fashioned bull rally is the Federal Reserve and Congress itself. Now the first thing I do want to give you heads up this week is that the deadline for the budget review has been pushed back to this Friday. So if there's a deal that cannot be made, there's always that potential for a possible government shutdown. And typically the market doesn't react very favorably. Now on top of that, come Wednesday, Jerome Powell does testify before Congress. So let's go ahead and get started with the US economic calendar this week. Now Monday, no major news. Now come tomorrow, we do have factory orders, ISM services, and two Fed vice chairs speaking in the afternoon. Now on Wednesday, we will start with ADP employment, and by 10 a.m., that's when Fed Chair Powell will testify before Congress. Now, also around that time, U.S. wholesale inventories and job openings will be posted. Now, come Thursday, we do have initial jobless claims coming out at 8:30 in the morning, along with U.S. productivity, U.S. trade balance, and by 8:30 that morning, we will have a slew of payroll data coming out, non-farm, unemployment, and hourly wages. Now, as we take a look at this week's earnings, you see Monday here very light, no really big names to be mentioned. Now, come Tuesday, we've got some big cybersecurity names along with some big retail names coming out. You can see CrowdStrike at the top of the list here. We've got Target, Ross Stores, Neo, Nordstrom. Now, come midweek here, we've got JD.com, Campbell Soup, and one big momentum stock to be mentioned here is Abercrombie & Fitch. I'm not sure if you've paid attention to this stock, but it has made parabolic moves to the upside. Now, come Thursday, this is the most important earnings call I can see this week here, and that is going to be Broadcom. This is one of the major semiconductor plays, and after NVIDIA's earnings 2 weeks ago, this will be a big tale to see if semiconductors can continue this rally to the upside. Now, on top of that, we do have another semiconductor here, Marvell Technology, one of my favorite IoT plays, Samsara Inc., along with DocuSign. Now, finishing up the week on Friday, there's actually not much here. You can see as far as the time here, most of these stocks being pretty small haven't even confirmed their posted time, so just keep that in mind. All right, VV Nation. Now, after all this being said, three things to really focus on is that Wednesday, Jerome Powell is going to testify before Congress. The second being the potential government shutdown if Congress does not come to an agreement when it comes to the budget. And the third will be Broadcom's earnings. Now, if you found this video informative, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way we can keep you updated going forward.